welcome to my Christmas home tour 2020. This is one of my favorite videos of the year, so I'm really excited to be sharing it with you today. We're going to be taking a close-up look at all of my Christmas decor, and I hope it gives you tons of Christmas decorating inspiration. Not only am I excited to share this with you, I am also hosting an open Christmas home tour collaboration with my friend Mary from Rocky Mountain Gardens, and we have invited other creators to share their home tour as well. So make sure you go through this virtual Christmas home tour and leave comments and let us know where you're from and what you like the most and what was your favorite in the comment box. The link for all the videos will be under the playlist in the description box. So enough talking, grab a cozy blanket and let's get into it. Starting at my front door, I have my rustic Christmas tree with mostly DIY ornaments. I have a whole Decorate With Me series that I will link down below.
Do you bring me? Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging, a symbol of goodwill and love. You'll ever be unchanging, each shining light, each silver changing, oh Christmas tree.
I also have a bench here, and I like to make it nice and cozy with some large pillows.
Of the dear Savior's birth, lonely the world in sin and narrow pining, till He appeared.
As you walk in more, I have the Bombay chest, and I wanted it to give it a feeling of kind of a Santa's workshop a bit. So I have this Santa's mailbox with this big Grinch tree. We have our powder room here, and I kept it very simple with some candle holders and greenery. In my formal living room, I wanted to have that white winter wonderland with the hints of red theme and the hint of red to tie in the rest of the house. I am so in love with this room and how it turned out. I feel it's so cozy and comfy with all the white and pillows and blankets.
Led by the light of faith serene.
In my dining room, still keeping with the theme, I have this flocked tree that I have decorated completely different from last year, and I'm very pleased with the result.
Born to be our friends. He knows our need. Our weakness is no stranger. Behold your King before.
Here I also have the hot cocoa station, which is still one of my kids' favorite things this season.
Your King before him lowly bend.
Now moving into the heart of the house, my family room. This room is enjoyed day in and day out by my family. And it's always been very traditional decor, and we like it that way.
Child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Silent night, holy night, shepherds quake at the sight, glory stream from the heaven afar, heavenly hosts singing hallelujah, Christ the Savior is born.
I have had this Christmas tree for over 20 years, and it is still looking as beautiful as the day one. I have collected a lot of these ornaments for over the past 20 years, and a lot of them had actually come from dollar stores.
Silent night, holy night, Son of God, love's pure light, radiant beams from thy holy
In my kitchen and dinette, I have a simple gingerbread theme going on.
Everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas, and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time.
My banister this year looks a lot simpler than it did last year, and that is what I was kind of going for. I was thinking of not putting anything on because it just wasn't speaking to me, but my husband felt that we should have something, so I simplified it by just using regular garland with some cherry and with some berry and pine cone garland from Dollarama. Upstairs, I just have our fun Disney tree. We are huge Disney fans and have collected most of these from our Disney trip, most of the decorations from our Disney trips.
It's Christmas, outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
So I hope you enjoyed this year's Christmas home tour. I hope that you were inspired. I still have a couple more decorate with me's coming your way, so make sure you're subscribed and your notification button is on so you don't miss them. If you liked today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you're coming over from someone else's channel, I just want to say welcome. My name is Sonja, and I'm so glad that you are here on my channel. I do lots of home decor and cleaning inspiration, so if you like that kind of content and you like what you saw, make sure you press that red subscribe button. And don't forget to check out Mary's channel as well as all the other videos in the playlist. Hope you all have a happy holiday season and happy decorating, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.